I love expensive cars. Daddy promised to buy me one just like this. And like this. But in the meantime, I'll make do with these. Vroom! Look at them go! Oh no! Look out! Look at that! Wow! A unicorn! You're so lucky! I know. I'll show her. There must be a way I can get my own unicorn. Huh? How do you use these things? Are you going to turn me into a toad? No? Maybe later. I have something to do first. Don't be nosy. What's in there? Achoo! That was a bad idea. Flour? Oh, come on. You look so silly. Why do I bother? Hold on. I never knew I had these balloons. I know what to do! This is a great idea! First, you'll need a balloon. Take a funnel and turn it upside down. Stretch the balloon over the tip of the funnel. Then flip the funnel the right way up. Next, you'll need some flour. Pour the flour into the balloon using the funnel. That should be enough. Give the funnel a tap to shake all the flour into the balloon. Remove the funnel and tie a knot in the balloon. Make sure it's tight. Use scissors to cut off the excess from the balloon. Do this with different colors of balloons. Next, you'll need a bowl of soapy water. Place the balloons into the bowl. Move them around, coating them in the soapy water. Remove the balloons and dry on a towel. Be careful at this stage. We don't want to burst them. That looks good. Gently push the balloons together. They'll start to stick to each other. It worked! The balloons are so soft and squishy! Who needs fancy toys? Where did she get that from? It looks good. At least I have my cars. Vroom vroom.
Whoa, what happened? Where are we?
I think that weird wizard brought us here.
Weird wizard? Well, I can't have that. Here, this is better. And now, welcome to this challenge. Alright, I have this dollhouse as you can see. As you can see, it's missing a sofa. You need to make one.
Make one, huh? I wonder how I could do this. Wait a second. I've got an idea. Okay, here's this couch. Time to make some measurements.
Where did she even go? Weird. I'm just gonna make this couch with origami. I'll fold it in half, corner to corner. Then I'll open it and do the same from the other corners. Now to fold the corner to the middle line. And then unfold and do it again. Now I'll bring it back to the center. Gotta make sure to crease it well. And then I'll repeat those steps on the other side. It's going well so far. And now I'm caught up to the other side. And now I move on to the next steps. More folds into the middle. On both sides again too. It's getting a little harder to fold. Okay, now I get to unfold it a bit. But I gotta fold the other corners to the middle now. And then more unfolding and folding to the new center line. And now we fold it back up. Can't forget to turn it over and do it on the other side. It's starting to come together. Alright, unfold it and refold it again. It needs to be a rectangle. And now I can fold the ends inside to make a sort of box. Gotta do the other end too. Great! And I'll make another one too. I'll put these two boxes together. Yes, this part is done. Now for this next little piece of paper. I'll fold it in half without creasing it and then slide it in the ends. Another one too for the arms of the sofa. You know what? It needs some pillows too. Ta-da! It's so cute! Here's my sofa, Mr. Wizard. Excellent job!
Gotta make sure I measure every length. Okay, now I need to do some math.
I'm surprised she hasn't come back yet. Oh, she fell asleep. Well, I'm happy with my results. I'll just put my little couch right here in the dollhouse.
Let's see what we're dealing with. That's it? Oh no, this won't do. This box is too big. Take this and start again. One more and you're on the naughty list.
Stupid box. It looked pretty, so what? This walnut shell gives me an idea. Yeah, this could work. Start with an empty walnut shell. Apply gold paint to the inside of the shell. Next, coat the outside of the shell with clear nail polish. Make sure to cover the whole shell. Do the same with the other half. Then put the ring in one of the shells. Put the other half over it. Tie a bow around the shell to secure it. Hey Santa, try this present. Open it up.
If there's a walnut in here, I'll be disappointed. Wow! Well, you're going straight to the top of Santa's nice list.
Oh Santa, thanks!
Ho ho!
This case is crafted from the finest gold and silver and the most exclusive simple dimples. That is so cool! I know you're jealous. Oh, that feels good. I could do this all day. It's so much fun. Ooh, it does look fun. You've not seen anything yet. Watch what happens when I add glitter. I'll pour it into the dimples. That should be enough. And now I'll give it a push. It's amazing! I should have this everywhere I go. Are you watching? Do it again. Here goes. Silver. My second favorite color after gold. Woohoo! One more time. It's just the best fun. I have my own glitter room at home. She's so lucky. What's that? Maybe I can use this scrap of paper for some fun. Place a sheet of paper on a flat surface. Next, take a roll of tape and trace around it with a pencil. Remove the tape and use a pen to draw an emoji face. Just pick your favorite. Remember to add details and color. We want this to look good. Carefully cut the circle from the paper. Make a cut in the paper at the top. Fold the edges over each other so the paper pops out. Then secure it with some tape. Create a figure 8 out of paper, cut out the centers, and place the emojis on top of it. Place another figure of 8 shape on top and stick it down with tape. I've got my own simple dimple. And it works perfectly. Happy. Sad. Hey, that's a great idea. How do I look? Ridiculous. I love it. Come on. Yes! These lights are a mess. But the tree looks amazing. I love the star. I have to untangle these. This is hard work. Ugh, can you stop playing video games and help me? What? No. So selfish. Ugh, this is just making it worse. No! Going down! What just happened? I'm okay. Nothing to see here. No, this is a disaster! The star is broken! Why did you do this? Me? I wanted help! Sorry, I'm here now. Poor star. It was so innocent. Oh, my soda jar. I can use this to make things right. Fill a jar with drinking straws. Place a zip tie around the straws and pull it tight. Tighten the zip tie until the straws spread out. Paint the straws to make them look more festive. All that's left to do is to put it on top of the tree. Perfect! Oh! The tree! Look! I made a star! Something's missing! Lights! How about now? Over a bit. Now? This way!